the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon Wireless. So I'm on the website here, and today I'm gonna be talking about their CDMA network here. So as you guys know, Verizon is be shutting down its CDMA network. So they announced this yesterday, I believe it was, or Monday, I believe. So Verizon is shutting down its CDMA network. So y'all guys need to pay attention to this. So if you guys want to check this out, this will be linked below. So it says here, as we continue to, it says as we complete our network transition to 4G and 5G, we at Verizon would like to keep you up to date with some important activities. We are moving all devices to our HD Voice LTE network, which offers superior coverage and performance compared to previous generation networks. Starting January 1st, 2020, which is about 5 months from now, Verizon will no longer allow any CDMA that's 3G and 4G non-HD voice for device changes. So if you have a non-HD voice line, you guys will not be able to use on Verizon after January 1st, 2020. So that's about 5 months from now. So these are important dates that you guys need to keep in mind. So starting January 1st, 2020, like I said, about 5 months from now, so it's no longer allowed. It's transfer of service moving from one account to another account. Bring your own device, providing a CDMA device to activate on an existing line. Swapping one CDMA device for another CDMA device. Roaming outside of the US. That will no longer be allowed. What still be allowed though is suspend or resume. So if you suspend your account or whatever, if you change your phone number, that still be allowed, of course. Upgrades to compatible 4G or 5G devices. Activating new lines of 4G or 5G devices, of course. And then there's another date that you guys need to also keep in mind. January 1st, 2021. Says we are moving all devices to our HD Voice LTE network. The Verizon CDMA network will remain available as is until December 31st, 2020. Any service requests related to CDMA devices will receive limited support and be encouraged to upgrade to newer technology. Of course, y'all guys know that CDMA is old and stuff like that. So you have Verizon moving it to like more of like a GSM type system or whatever, so that's pretty nice. Also, they want you to upgrade to a 4G or 5G phone with HD voice compatible. So you guys need to do that if you guys don't have. If you guys ain't done so already, so I'm sure make sure you guys are watching this video now are covered. I'm sure make sure you guys have a 4G phone that has HD voice on it, so you guys are good. But the devices are impacted by this as 3G only devices, including 3G based phones and 3G smartphones like the Droid series of phones, or like the anything that's 3G only is affected by this. It will no longer work. Says 4G LTE smartphones that don't support HD voice. So that includes the iPhone 5S that includes the Apple iPhone 5 or before that. For an example, connected devices with CDMA, which is like like smartwatches. So you have the Gizmo Pal 2, Gizmo Gadget, and some Home Plus models. Proprietary customer-built 3G equipment. So those devices will be impacted by this CDMA shutdown. So make sure you guys that are watching this video, y'all should be fine. Because I'm sure some of you guys have newer devices like the Galaxy S10 or the iPhone XS or whatever, so y'all guys are fine. But if you guys have like an old device, y'all guys will not be able to use it anymore. Says sign into my Verizon to check your upgrade. You can sign into my Verizon to check your to check an upgrade and get the latest and greatest devices on the market. Enterprise customers can visit my business too for options. If you guys need help, what they need is they have frequency asked questions on Android, iOS, and they also have frequency asked questions on HD voice. Y'all guys can check them out if you guys need help. So you guys need to pay attention to this. If you guys have like an old device, like a an iPhone 5S for an example, it will no longer be able to work. If you guys have anything that is HD voice compatible, y'all guys are fine. So if you guys got like a LG, let's say an LG V20 for example, the phone I have, y'all guys are fine with that because that phone has HD voice and stuff like that on it. So anything that has HD voice, you're fine. If you guys start using the phone that doesn't have that, they recommend y'all guys upgrade to a new device, obviously, so you guys don't get left out. So Verizon is shutting down the CDMA network. Y'all guys know that this has been happening. That this is going to happen. They've been talking about this for like the last few years now, and it's finally going to happen. January 1st, 2020, so about 5 months from now. That's not going to happen then. January 1st, 2021. They're moving all devices to the HD Voice LTE network. So do keep it in mind and keep that in mind as well. And like I said, make sure that you guys have a HD voice compatible smartphone, which I'm pretty sure that most of you guys are using one right now to watch this video. So yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys listen out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.